all are doing good. I'm back with another video, but आज का video जो है it is slightly different. So I'm gonna talk about the book that I'm reading right now. You Can Win by Shiv Khera. This is a very old book and I should have read it by now, but अभी जो पढ़ रही हूँ I'm able to understand things deeply. So yeah, I came across a few points that I felt that are important and deep. So I thought, why not I make a video on this and share it with you. So this is not going to be any kind of educational video. It is just my thoughts and my understanding that I have gained from this book. I thought let's grow together. So let's start. The first point that I noted was when attitude is right, we realize that we all are walking on acres and acres of diamonds. Opportunities is always under our feet. We don't have to go anywhere. All we need to do is recognize it. This point is really applicable to me because I had the opportunity to open a YouTube channel and post videos, but I didn't do it because I couldn't realize, even though my parents told me. I knew that I will be able to talk in front of the camera, but no, I procrastinated because I was very scared. I was overthinking. So this point has such a deep meaning. It says that when we are positive, when we are optimistic, we find opportunities everywhere, even when the doors are closed. So yeah. Another point that I noted was total quality people, which means people with character, integrity, good values and positive attitudes. So it also says that the importance of please and thank you, because in everyday life we don't realize the value of please and thank you. अगर हमने किसी को help किया है and the least we expect is a thank you from them, or else it's like मैंने इतना किया इसने थैंक यू भी नहीं बोला. It's like that. So please and thank you, they are the base for us in everyday life. So I found another thing, that this book has given us steps to follow if we want to build a positive attitude. So like I have picked up like 2 to 3 points that I can convey from my end that I am inculcating in my life. So the first thing was change focus, look for positive. This is actually a very good point because we tend to focus only on the negative and not the positives. जो भी situations, negative situations आते हैं, हमको सिर्फ negative ही दिखता है. It's because it's already in our mind. We overthink, we lose sleep, सब कुछ हो जाता है. But then I think we all got to be optimistic, which is really difficult. But it comes through practice and change with mentality and how we are pursuing things. The second point is make a habit of doing it now. Same, it applies to me. I actually have to inculcate this point in my life. Make a habit of doing it now. ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या ही हो जाएगा. First thing, if it works out, it will work out really well. If it doesn't, then we will learn something. I have always been told this by my parents, but applying should be important. Next point is stay away from negative influences. Yeah, this is a very valid point because I can give you an example. Like when we were small, our parents used to be like, देख के दोस्ती करो, सबके साथ ऐसे ये मत करो, because they somewhere knew that okay, this person cannot be a good friend with my son or daughter. We always save ourselves from negative vibes or something, because I am also like that. I'm a very picky person. I don't mingle very easily with people, and I first scan them. Their attitude, their vibes and everything, and I somehow get to know that if this person can be my friend or no. And that's how I keep myself away from negative influences. It helps a lot. It helps me because I want to grow and I want to be in an environment where people have knowledge and I can gain from them. Another important point that I came across in this book is to be a good listener. Obviously, this is the most common recommendation and most common teaching that everybody gives us. I have had friends who only talked and never listened, and मुझे बुरा लगता था कि मैं ही हमेशा क्यों सुनूं, इसके बाद ये भी सुने. So it happens when we are not a good listener. People tend to get annoyed and irritated. I think that thing shouldn't happen from my end. So how I am working on this is listening to podcasts and listening to short stories, audiobooks. It helps me improve my vocabulary, one. Second thing, it helps me build patience, two. Third thing, though, I will automatically improve my my listening skills. Yeah. So this was about today's video, and I had actually made many points that I wanted to convey, but I thought सब कुछ आज एक ही दिन में नहीं बताएंगे, थोड़ा थोड़ा करके बताएंगे. So I think I might be coming up with the part 2 of this some other day. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I have also noticed that my viewers are paying attention to details. So thank you so much. You guys are really sweet. You guys are really encouraging me. Thank you, and see you tomorrow with another video. I'm very glad that I have started uploading videos on YouTube. You guys are amazing. You guys are really encouraging me. Actually, I wasn't expecting so much love from you all at the very beginning, and I'm actually trying continuously and every day to improve myself. I'm actually thinking new things that I can share it with you all, and I think this is the best platform for me to share things with all of you. And क्योंकि मुझे बोलना पसंद है, I thought that this can be the best thing. And thank you so much. You guys are really sweet. You guys are really supporting me. Today's video was not any kind of an educational video or a book review. It is just a thing that what I learned and I'm learning and I'm applying in my life. So yeah, thank you.